my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Today I'm off to the farm, but first, I need to choose what shoes I'm gonna wear. Can you help me find them? Okay, my cuzzies, these are the options. First up, we have my baby's shoes. They're little blue ones. I'm kind of growing out of these, so maybe not. Next up, we have my fluffy, woolly boots. These could be good. They're pretty warm. They keep me pretty warm. My flash white shoes. They're pretty nice. I have my summer jandals. Oh, I love wearing these ones at the beach. I also have some flash brown shoes. These ones go really cool with my pants. My bouncy shoes. These ones, when I put them on, I can bounce really, really high. I can almost touch the moon in them. Finally, I have my flippers. Oh, I can swim really fast when I wear these ones. Which ones do I choose? I know what ones I'm gonna choose. These ones. I'm gonna choose my fluffy woolly boots because they're gonna keep my legs and my feet really warm. Zip. These are perfect. Off to the farm. I can't choose these. These are way too hot. I'm gonna have to choose something cooler. Maybe my jandals will be perfect. All right. I can't choose these. They're gonna get my feet all dirty. What about my jumping shoes? Okay, let's try put these ones on. Strap in over there, underneath. All right, off to the farm, Arno. Let's go. No, not today. Think, Buzz. Think. I know the perfect ones. My gumboots. I can't believe I forgot about them. I'm sorry, gumboots. Hey, my gumboots are perfect. Actually, they're perfect for any occasion. They're perfect for dancing, for singing. Oh, I can do anything in my gumboots. Thanks for helping me choose my shoes, cuzzies. Ka kite anō.